Kublai pi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaka sni kilong. Bat ki Samla KSU khat armut ki suba Bangladeshi hatha Nongjri Southwest Khasi Hills. Kerpat UVC yakan NEHU bat nehunsa ban sange no kijinge ki wan banekran. Penkub burom Kalengam Presbyterian College sanput nyongot ki Samla graduate. Ban Ladai Hindu, Muslim, ni Kristan ki Bangladeshi kim day ban yorung ha Southwest Khasi Hills District ong ka KSU. Tementai ne pai shiki Khubor ki bakamania. Kinoy lambat ki dekhot ka Khasi Students Union Lengam area Southwest Khasi Hills saka step rio tarik Naiwieng haka por kumbah nyo baji AA kila yo ban bat khat arngut ki brio ki ba ki suba ki Bangladeshi kenthop ki kenthei shinrang bat ki khna nagatha Nongjri bat nong halam karkum gajing tip na unoy alam ka KSU Samla Yonis Hasha ulaya tho ba kini ki brio ka Bangladeshi ki ba na Sunamganj district Bangladesh Kajing pet jongki na la kajong kari sa Meghalaya kadai na marba kis ir yala kajing im na kijing ki ha Bangladesh kabalan ne bun benai menta. Kino yalam ke KSU ha kani keski kila IT no ya kini kibreu shaki bor pulet banle ya kabadon kam katkum ki kendon ai.
Mentama step na kaliang KSU lang kamay rinit ngila yobat ikni ki khar Bangla ki bawan rungtu na ri Bangladesh na kaliang kaseng ngila kali ki dari kakin kathli rukim dang watang ka hindi rukim dang bankren samjigi ban kali ki dari ngitip baki di khar Bangla bat ngi la kali katin Bangla kan soit barki di na po Sunamganj kini ki khar ki ongba ki pet nang tai namar ba kadon kini kajing ya kajia man hakane pori Bangladesh kim songsuk kim ki mo ki kim don taka songsuk songsan po Bangladesh nak takadaw ki ong ba ki wa ban wan sines po India jungi dai naleng jungi kaseng ni soban persya ya kane kajing rong tu jung kini ki khar ka ba kam don ka kot kasla ni nakaleng kaseng ngin IT kini Khuborjylla ka an in IT ki pulit bat Khuborjylla district ban bakin le ka badon kam mantapat ngi kwa ban bu tang ko ka jingkeli ya ki spy ya da kaput ya ki BSF kai ka kam jok phi ba phi song to boda kini ki khar Bangla pat ki yorung man kasngi sani sa kari ba ijungi kham ki kendon ki babyang kham ki kot ki sla ki babyang kani kajing kajia po di Bangladesh ka bu jing ba menta yang ki ripat hang ne po ka Jylla Meghalaya bat kahane district hi bro ko na kaleng jungi kum kaseng hi ngi soban ban khya ya ka sarkar subha ban sim khya kani ka banta bar kumjuru ki spy da kaput baki dei ban mo le ki badun kam namar kum long menta long jensur plat kini ki spy da kaput kam da mo ki kham da ki khya ya kini kam kam ki jongki ki hajaka bakin mo kinda plajing but ang tay ki bu man kato ka giat ang ni po mo sinesnong jan snong kalong ki sati sa mo satu sa jan susun yang balat stu don jemut ayo kitu ban sek ki mo ya kini ki khraman ki briujungi sane kini hajing sa bakin dai ban bu bhaki ban taj bhaki security satai spo khaput ki song man la sa man ki la ap man itu ki briujungi ba wan di jing di sane kini ki kalong ba songsi ya kari ba ke ben riu hi bro ko wai ngi hi kum kaseng ngi kwa ban mo saka sasin ya ka sarkar so basim kya kini ka banta bat Khuborjylla ka anru subha ban kli hor kini ki khar ki bon tu kumne nam kumta lada ngi kum kaseng ngi mat se ban hapsim bat da ki we kilat kilinti ban yada ya ka mo kari ba ke ben riu jong ya mata ya kini ki khar ki obat mata ngin ai no Khuborjylla ka an ai ba kinle ka don kam
Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, Vice Chancellor ka School ba NEHU, ula khot ekila pathai Khubor ha office tere kam jong han NEHU campus umshing maukenro ha ka ba ula batai ba ka NEHU kam shamiyat bakla bat kalabut thik pathik ki kendon ki an ki kanun ki bayadei bat ka jing thungkam ya registrar bat deputy registrar ha ka ne ka school ba ula ong kabor ban penhiar shuki yakini ki officer kam shong haki kiti jong namar yaki rathung kam lengba ki selection committee kabadon amduna nyongut ki dekhot bat na kini arngut ki de ki brio ki bat tebet bha expert haka jing penyat kam bat haka tre kta ula ong ladadon kanu ka jing ujor ki bor jaka sarkar India lengba katanat puli puthi jaka sarkar India kin thung daka inquiry committee ban tokit bat ban wad ekidaw la kita ki jing kano kilong ki basong nongrim ni kadon shisha ka jing bamla ban trekam ni kalong tang ka jing pharem Vice Chancellor ula karpa dikinong ya lambat ki dukhot jaka North Eastern Hill University Students Union NEHU bat NEHU Non-Teaching Staff Association NEHUNSA ban sange no ekijing ki bat ban wan shaka me yakran ban emerging mud halor kita kijing dawa ban poi shaka thong kababed lang Vice Chancellor ula ongru kini kijing ki kilong kijing du ki bakraw ki Samla pule jong kane ka school ba
All of you are well aware about the agitation which is already going on in the campus of the NEHU. And all of you are also fully aware about the status and role of the NEHU in northeastern part of the country. I received a letter from the non-teaching and also the NEHU for the removal of, and this is a memorandum of the NEHU, Northeastern Hill University Student Union, and he clearly asked about the removal of the registrar, deputy registrar, of officer on special duty, director college development council, and guest house in charges. The first question I would like to mention that removal of the registrar or deputy registrar. In this response, the removal of the registrar, deputy registrar, academic deputy registrar cannot be executed based on the unilateral decision or personal direction. These officials, including the registrar and deputy registrar, were appointed following a thorough screening process and formal interview. Their roles and continuity in the service are governed by due process, not by arbitrary decision from any single authority, including the Vice Chancellor. As has been reported in the media, associations such as NEHU, NEHUNSA, and NEHU have already brought their concern to the government, including the President of India. If the government suspects any irregularities, including the President of India also, if the government suspect any irregularity, it may be considered forming an inquiry committee to examine the matter. However, as of now, there has been no communication from the Ministry or the President Office to Vice Chancellor Office indicating such an action. This is a reality. Till now, a reply from the side of the university to non-teaching unions regarding the recruitment, I already clearly mentioned in my deliberation what is the actual position of the recruitment. And second thing, also the non-teaching union asked the promotion, and registrar is already doing that. Once the office is closed, no, We already left the last जो है 25 to 20 near about 10 days. Out of 10 days, 5 to 6 जो है working days. Definitely under the system and rules, registrar office is already doing the work for the promotion of our non-teaching employees.
What about the total lockdown?
They have not even called for the total lockdown of the university.
They did announce that.
Yeah, they did announce जो है in future he can do जो है his student to student can take their own decision, but he at present he locked only जो है even ask send a letter to the जो है all head of the department professor kindly जो है even stop the classes.
So we are made to understand of removing the registrar and deputy registrar, because you have mentioned that their appointment is as per the norms of the university.
So what are the procedures followed? Can you tell us how they were appointed?
Yes, you also raised the very good question. Would like to even show another document that is related to cadre recruitment rules. CRR, I think might be aware about the This is a cadre recruitment rules, and all the documents is already available on the website. Anyone can see this document. Under the cadre recruitment rules, first you advertise the position. Accordingly, position were advertised. After advertisement, constitute a screening committee. As per the rules, screening committee were constituted. After screening of the application, then another question, constitute a selection committee. Selection committee were constituted. In the selection committee, 5 to 7 members are there, not only one members. SC/ST representatives are there. This is under group A positions. Some president of nominee are there, along with the 2 experts, registrar and deputy registrar. So the interview we are conducted not only in front of the vice chancellor, in front of the selection committee. And finally, selection committee has taken the decision. Not only the vice chancellor, on the recommendation of the experts. Because 2 experts are there who already have the knowledge about the administration and other things.
Kalingam Presbyterian College mau thengkut hakandriu tarik Naiwieng kala rakhe ya graduation day kabalai jangka college da ka penkut buram san puh nyongut ki Samla pule ki bala pendep ya ki jing pule NAKA college ki badeiru ki batch jong usnam arhajar arphuwe hado arphuwe arphulai hado arphusau hakani ka sngi ka college kala samru ya ki jing ais ngobha shabaro san puh nyongut ki Samla pule ki bala pendep ya ka graduate hakaba UMLA Motion Road constituency ba Methodist dekhar ulalong ukong san bansa me ki te ki jing ais ngobha haka jing dan lang uba MA Shalam SDO Motion Road Civil Subdivision kom usembut kongsan. Ukongsan ha gajing kran ha kani gajing elang ulakan tu ki Samla pule ki bala pendep ya ka graduate bakin perkhat bat sngongo ya kita ki bala no sinyang ha gajing em jongki nando badang kha hadu kani ka klipmat kat hadu bakin da yo phong ya ka pang sngiat graduation. Ki balaya don lang ha katika sngi ki kentup ya Reverend A Nongbri, President Governing Body, Reverend Dr. BK Shangpliang, Secretary Governing Body Reverend J Nongdekhar, Reverend R.S. Dengdo, Reverend Dr. P.R. Marthong, kinong hikai, ki kimi ki kpa bat ki bala shakhot ngobha.
Hi.
Risha Nongsiang, remarkable from me.
My lifetime substance given happening at college. The college, kabaya diety, kabakterity, nabat nakaway di jangka perthai jangka tingin. Henry mentah kadan ketingkala. But tentang lesson number 1, kabangin juga yang collect. What an collect borrow. Kadang dan come that embrace the team. ban riang ya ke jingkala nimla ban khuilati ba man ka ki salong kunjo nimla ban khuilati ba man ka tayo manu benai ilong kunjo hakiki embri jonge dan bon ki jingkala dan bon ki but ini ki idon lang ru ban ki jingkaman ki subha orang prengi barok ke kamram jongi kolong bangidei ban khuilati ya kata ke jingkala bagi priang subha ya kini kita penduk demi kita thamai barok kita penduk barok ding barok kita keman barok kita subha kidon ya kita ikai kita kodon ben ai hagi dingin demi kejingkala barok kapoi haba ubriu uyak keman sudah ubriu le kabriu nebe hajo kenam dan kono kejingkala Ibrahim kenduk ikut kelah, kenduk ikut tanglah dari yad sekpat. Perkataan kadai lesson number 1 sebab pinjudai berklat barat sidian. Lesson number 2 kalau apa?
Hadian kajing yo obat ka seng KSU Langkena Area Unit yaki khat arngut ki basuba Bangladeshi hakithai nong jeri bat nong halam hakastep mriu tarik Naiwieng nakaliang ki nong yalam KSU Southwest Khasi Hills hakano ophaisngi hapo kajing yalam Samla forward men nong rem president lambat ki khot jang ka seng kilalet banya kendo ya deputy commissioner kaneka district ba Barnari Maulong ban ujor halor kaneka benta bat kentu banle AA halor kaneka jingyo rungtu lai luit ki breuna Bangladesh syari khasi Usamla forward man nongrem hadin baladep ya kendo ya deputy commissioner ulayat ho nakaliang udisi ula Khubor halor kaneka jingdon ki bari na Bangladesh ki bayo rungtu hapo rikhasi bat hakabaya dei bat kani udisi unsalum ya ki BSF bat ya ki district administration banyak sani halor kaneka benta kinoyalam ka Khasi Students Union kila mahamru ya ki breu ki ba train nong dalal ki baju penrungtu ya ki breu ka Bangladesh hapo ri India kinoyalam ka KSU kila penpau kim kwa banyo ya ki jing penrungtu laki de ki Hindu Muslim ni Kristan ki bana Bangladesh hapo Southwest Khasi Hills district
to hadin ba menemen step nakaliang jong ki dukhot ki jongi napo jong ki isu langkan mai renet klayo wan bat ya kumba khat armut ki khar Bangladeshi ki ba layo jing tep kat kom bodi tu ki kolom bagi wan napo sanamkan district jong ka Bangladesh te bagi wan rong tu hapo India ha ka ba ka jing wan ka jong ki ru long ka pau sai bitik kumba ki mod ban wan buhai snong ha e kantam hapo ka tu ki than hi brokoi namar nak tu ki nong wan rong tu kolong ba omde tang ki sanrang ki bawan tang ki don long kumi ki don kolong na ki tu khat arngot te menem step nak lang isu ki obat ban nak le obat ki mod ba ti IT bor an ba kin le badong kam te haden kata pat long ba haden katu ka jingja menem step pat ka jingja ka bana kapor jong ka jing warung tu jong ni khar Bangladesh lang ba ki than bordar dang Southwest Selshek kala penlong bang ngi session mentaksi bangin wan ban kran ya udikti commissioner jang Southwest Selshek ban penso bang habede berkene ke isu kaban kong kolong bana kaleng jungi kabang lakran ngi soban peram juri ki BSF ngi soban peram juri ki BSF namar hajing syak mod ba ki BSF ki dei ki ba khamat ban Peit ya uput usam nane ya kathan kaput hapo jong ka ya kari India berkari Bangladesh tengi tip hiru bau BSF udon gitu kithan nadu kithan bakli nadu kithan nane na po gomakat berkontak tertar hari ke basosi pat kalong ba nakapor sakpor kalong ba kini kibru menabar kilaj ban roto po India bat ka ka bakam sngo lengo susu kalong ba kai bangilap ke jile BSF kalong new BSF kalong ba hajaka bun Peit perman ya kena than bordar ban Peit ya khar Bangladesh ban khanglat ya khar Bangladesh mungkin rung hari India kum menne hari ki lek pat ban kiu sakini ki surok ki badai kisnong khasi ban pentut kelai ki trasnong ti kanai kalong kai ka ba nakaleng jungi kumasang ki kwa bu jingkali ba kita ki spy BSF kalong kai ka kamera ki hatu ka kamera ki kalong ban check ban penuit ban haras ya ki trasnong ne ban ker banda na kani jingwat rong tu jingki Bangladesh hapo jong kari India lengba ki kaput jong Southwest Selshek te habade bakani lakran bisi kran kabashai ba nakaleng ki Khubor district kide ban kran ki BSF ba kide ban concentrate haki 0 point lane hak tu ki thang kaput re ba kimdai pat ban keu syakini ki sajrong kide ban concentrate so hakini thang kaput kenang ban la ban ada ya ka juruk kertlap jong ki breu manabar napo Bangladesh kasang la pan slow so Khubor district kalong ba klem da thau klem da khen udai nakaniam ayu udai Hindu udai Muslim hare kasang hi kanorim kasang kalong ba ukhar Bangladesh usa ukhar Bangladesh but ya khar Bangladesh compare udai niam ayu udai Hindu Muslim udai Kristen nakum tar hare naglang ji Khubor district bat ki BSF ki dem pitkna ba ki ban bat ndak ki bat kalong ba ki ban penpai ba je bakum gini breu lene ban le ek badong kam nomor kumbalong menta kalong ba ni ba kadon ka jing lajlan kham tam hu haki kaput ni hot kadon katukani ki fencing hang thi ba kadon BSF balongo kalong ba wala ki BSF don gumakat don bakli hendre kar Bangladesh ki hi na kitu ki jaka ba ki don ki outpost jing BSF te kata ka de ka wai ka balai ka ba nakaleng jungi ngilakran kalong ba namar ngiyok jingtip bahapo Southwest Selshek mut ba kidan kita ki dalal ki ba yale ban penrung tu ya kini ki khar Bangladeshi sapo India kata ka de ke jingsi
kino yalam kan NEHU kila kan tat mardor ya ka jing thet kti bat jing sat hok jong Vice Chancellor Jylla de kat ba haki kampat kan NEHU kanang hiar ka kerdan hakmat ki weipat ki University jong kari kila keno ru hakajing penya jong ni Vice Chancellor ki Samla puli ki basyong hostel ki mat ki jing ki ba bonjat namar kimbyang ki jaka sa ka umbam umdi kilat sumar sukher ki dawai dashin mat bon ki wepat ki jing don kam ki bayade bat ka puli puthi kila keno ru ya ka jingle bam patiau jong u ban penbiang ya ki jing don kam ba kongsan ki bayade ki jaka tho examen CUET hakaba ki Samla kila mat ki jing ki ba kraw hakatu kapor bala penlong ya kaneka examination han NEHU kino yalam kan NEHU kila ong ba kindang beteng ya ka jing ya ki sha thangan bat kin yai dawa ba ude ban hiar shukino nakakam Vice Chancellor ba ubat menta kilaya tho ba kiladep tho artili ki shithi shakatanat pule puthi jong sarkar India bandawa ya Vice Chancellor ban hiar shukino namar umla ban trekam ban wanra eka bha kamiat ki Samla pule hakani ka skul ba
Ngi hakaba ulayu I banadu menin hingla songklan mengor hakaba ngi ngila ki khna jing dan kat lang jong ka NEHU su ba KSU NEHU unit ngila shong yang ka indefinite hunger strike kaba penlongo ingi kalong ba UVC jongi udan ka por bani I press release bani yada ya ka reputation jong la de bani sat khoj ya de Henry tang ka por ban kran bat ngiro ngilaya song kala nyaduk menin shi baje haduk kadar ne ka jamit ka bentaru ngi khlamyo tang ko ka verbal communication ne no ka bentaba nakadang jung VC ba uka bani klemet ngi Henry ka pen sing phalai ngi pat VC ukloi bani ai kata ka press release te kawiru ka bangi ngi sing ngo ka di hakar benta ka bali ai ka press conference ru kamlong ka basai namar ba hakatu ka press conference ka kumba VC open sing ba ka di ka press conference in response to the memorandum that was submitted by the NEHU te hakabidi ba ka memorandum ngila dap submit artili ke memorandum kawai di memorandum ha ubnai September kawai di ka memorandum ka bangi dang should have submit chairman hakanahi ta ka jingkli ka ba hakmat du hi ka long ka memorandum ka bangi submit ha ubnai September namar ka memorandum ka bangi submit ha ubnai September ka di memorandum ka bangi labatai syai UBC bagi
em ka kaman kong hi ba ang iwa kan ka press briefing jong WC kalong ba uang ba yakini ki ban remove ni ban terminate ya ka service jong registrar deputy registrar ki habia lang ba ki proses ni ta ki recruitment ka habia ka proses ni ka bang iba ka jung tung jong ba keman kan mau ba kumya DR kembah haki snap haki harja RPR kumka ba jingmi yang kalis jongki ni ba apply ni la bani isai ba udan haka setai do ta si spotlight pun riu ba ka kadau hi kadai kalong ba ulong dan ka experience te but haka aja apply kumnum ya ula ban long well qualified ni bal experience ba haki tigitan sistem te ka eka pelngo ngi pa kumnu ula ban appoint bar kajikli jungi kale manu kita ki experts ni ki panels badan hatu ka screening committee ke jung baula ban appoint mantung ya registrar bat kumju ya DR mar ba DR mar registrar hi haju por long term usi
jadi ini press conference si bukan ni lo tu wajib waktu di dah umumlah welcome
kumpuklai menel ai to press conference nakaliang jumu hakaban nakaliang jungi kitiki memorandum kitiki sti bangi ni bu kitiki mat jingdawa kijungi u kampen sko itu ba ke bo unle handai panban u concentrate habide kini ki jingthung kam thungjam kani hi ka panpau bale si gadan ki silendan hakaba hakatua ka bakhaduru ka point ka ba habai di ba kani jingthung jong provinsi ula batai sai ba ula de thok sti teng munchwa badu unang thok sti biang nakaliang ka jong hakaba wang ba lada nakaliang ka ministry kam sap ne kam ai kanu ka approval nakaliang jongki within kani new snam hu banai December unsa appoint nakaliang jong komot yu kata andang ila song kalan ngor kumni dengila satkan unsa poi kata kaput ba unong mahapthung kita ki provinsi katni gisnam ki balale laitli gisnam kanthi amsim la thung kita provinsi manta beli usngu kendia handi usngu dan kata jikit clear let's say di nega jingmi mandan jingi banginya song kumni na let's say dan ke selendat ba umpa benbu kita visi provinsi kini gisnam balale
kalau kena gaji welcome ni ni bawa mula welcome
Ka chairperson Bathamai jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights MSCPCR ka Agatha Sangma MP Barim Natura ka Hinmen Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma kalaong ba kadon kathong bantre borba nakabanta ka bahaka miat jong ki khana ki badon kam ya ka jingarap jong ka yakani kalapan pau habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor haswa ban yakundu ya Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ba po lengdo hakasan tarik Naiwieng
and the entire team, and there is so much work that is already being done by the commission, and it's very commendable. And I just hope that somehow I'm also able to add some value and something good to the commission, and I really look forward to it. See, I think this is like you very rightly pointed out, is something that earlier was never talked about, never came out in the open, but now there are more cases that are being reported, and there is a lot of more awareness by families and also by the victims, and there are a lot of provisions that to help victims get justice, and we are here to assist in that process. I really hope that as a community we become more sensitized and we become a more holistic community. It's not only about the work of the commission, but how our communities, the families, the schools, the teachers, how everybody spreads awareness and works collectively. We are just a small part of it, but we want to work collectively with the community in order to ensure that our children have a safer place to live in. We have to work in coordination with the minister, so I am here to talk to him today, call on him and take it forward. So let's see how it goes. Whatever you do, there will always be criticism. Honestly, I'm here to show my work, and hopefully in the coming time my work would speak for itself. I'm extremely excited to be in this position where I can work for children, because this is something I personally feel that I've always had a very soft corner for children, and they're my favorite people in the world, and I'm very excited to work. So let people say whatever, so I'm just happy that I've been given this opportunity, and I really look forward to working.
Batak itu ki Khubor nglapoy ka bakun talahadu bangin daya syambiang Khublei Shibon.